Have the right email signature to promote your blog. Having a blog can be a great thing if you want to earn a lot of money. First of all, there are many ways for you to earn money from your blog, if you know where to look and how to write to meet the needs and demands of your market. You can post advertisements and then get commissions for each time that your blog visitors click on your advertisements. You can get paid for each blog post that you write, and then get paid in bulk if a company likes you and decides to outsource you as their primary blog writer. You can also get paid by brick and mortar companies who want to use your blog as their own advertising posting site. In all these cases, you can get money and make a profit only if you are able to prove that a lot of people visit your blog, and only if you can show that people are actually interested in what you have to say. This may mean that you need to have a lot of people commenting on your blog, a lot of people linking to it, and a lot of people coming in each day to read each and every entry that you have written. This also means that you need to promote your blog in as many channels and through as many places as possible that are appropriate to your blog content and your intended target market. One way that you can promote your blog is to have the right email signature in each of your emails. True, you can ask people to link to you, and you can post in forums, but you can also get the word out fast if you are able to let each of your email readers see that you have stuff that they might be able to use. An email signature, moreover, is the easiest to see and catch. People always check their email, but to be able to see your posts in a forum or to see your link in a neighboring blog, they will need to open their browser and spend their time surfing the internet. Your email signature should therefore be the ultimate invitation to open that browser and check your blog out. So how should you fashion your email signature? First of all, know your limits. You should keep to a very small number of lines, and you should avoid any formatting or inserting files that may make your email hard to read and difficult to load. Keep your email signature to 3 lines, your blog address, your name, and a description of your blog. Why put your blog address out there? You need people to see what your blog name and address is, instead of having to make them click on a click here or see more link that you intend to hyperlink into their browsers. You need your name as author, of course, and you need a quick description of your blog in order to tell your reader what he or she should expect. Make your blog description short. 1 sentence of less than 15 words should be a good benchmark, but make sure that it meets someone's need. For instance, avoid saying, "a blog about gardening," and be more action-oriented, such as if you need more information about how to make your garden attractive at all times of the year, then visit my blog. These are only a few tips that you may want to take into account as you go about using your email signature in order to promote your blog. For more information, note what kinds of email signatures work with you and see how you can make your own better. If you are able to use your email signature well, then you will be able to get more visitors to your blog.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.